How you can transfer file Windows to your Android phone easily. Open your Windows this menu and you can see the nearby sharing. This one, enable this setting and go to your control panel and go to the setting. Under setting, go to system, and from here you can see the nearby sharing. Enable nearby sharing for my device only or everyone for my device as you can prefer. From here you can change your download option as well and rename as well. Now, for example, this one and this photo or this photo, then press on right click and then press on share. This one, share. If you press on share, then you can see your nearby device. This is my device. Press on, then wait a couple of seconds. It will comes to your mobile. Now show in folder. Here you can see your image is available here. Now, if you go to open your photo file, then go to album. If you press on recent, easily you can find your file here. Thank you. Have a good day.